Hi to all of you. Why do we fall ill part 2? In this part we are going to mainly discuss about diseases. What is disease? What are the symptoms and signs of disease? Acute and chronic disease, etc. Disease means disturbed ease. When a person feels uncomfortable and he is not at ease, then he is said to be suffering from a disease. When a person suffers from disease, the performance of the vital functions of the body is disturbed. It may be due to environmental factors. For example, asthma is a disease which is due to environmental factors. It may be due to infectious agents, example, malaria, which is due to plasmodium. It may be due to inherent defects of the organisms, for example, thalassemia. These diseases are inherited by the offsprings from the parents, or there may be combination of these factors. Now, how to identify the disease? For that, there are symptoms and signs. Symptoms are those which a diseased person feels as wrong. For example, if anybody suffers from malaria, then the fever first of all rises and then it comes down. That is hot and cold stage, which will indicate the disease. Now, when malaria is confirmed by the blood test in the laboratory, then that is known as sign. So, sign is a definite indication of a disease. Let us try to understand the difference between acute and chronic disease. The example of acute disease is cold, of chronic disease is tuberculosis. Now, on the basis of these two examples, we can differentiate acute and chronic disease. Acute diseases last for only very short period, while chronic disease lasts for long periods. In case of acute disease, the patient recovers completely after the cure, but in case of chronic disease, the patient does not recover completely. In case of acute disease, after the cure, there is no loss of weight or tiredness. But in case of chronic disease, there is loss of weight and feeling of tiredness. Acute disease are for short duration. So, work and efficiency loss is for a short duration. But chronic disease, work and efficiency loss is for prolonged period. The differentiation between healthy and disease free. Children, this is a very important topic. Distinction between healthy and disease free. A person is said to be healthy when he is physically, mentally, and socially fit. Disease free, only the absence of bodily discomfort. Being healthy depends upon the person as well as physical, social, and environmental factors. But for being disease free, it depends on the person alone. Healthy person will be disease free, but disease free person can be healthy or unhealthy. This completes part 2 of chapter Why Do We Fall Ill? I hope it's clear to you. Thank you.